Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. The CPU socket gets all the attention, but the motherboard decides how long your PC actually lasts. While CPU socket longevity is important for upgrade flexibility, the motherboard's quality and features ultimately determine a PC's usable lifespan, as cheap components like VRMs can bottleneck performance and limit future upgrades despite socket compatibility. This 3K OLED premium laptop with all-day battery life demolishes the competition, and now a discount drops it below $1,000. The Dell XPS 13, featuring a Snapdragon X Elite CPU, 32 GB RAM, and 512 GB SSD, delivers top-tier performance and nearly 24-hour battery life, and is now available for $999.99 after a $29 discount. Intel accidentally made the perfect tiny PC, then abandoned it. Intel's NUC Mini PC series, launched in 2013 as a compact, practical computing solution, was quietly discontinued despite its popularity, with the company shifting focus to traditional PCs and laptops. While ASUS and others have attempted to revive the concept, the original NUC line remains officially dead, marking the end of Intel's foray into consumer mini PCs. Intel just made PC gaming even more expensive with these new price hikes. Intel has increased the prices of its Core Ultra processors, with the Ultra 7 270K+ and Ultra 5 250K+ now costing $50 and $30 more, respectively, making PC gaming builds more expensive amid rising costs for other components like graphics cards and RAM. AMD Strix Halo RDMA Cluster Setup Guide. AMD has released a setup guide for configuring a 2-node Strix Halo cluster with RDMA networking for distributed VLLM inference using tensor parallelism. The guide covers BIOS kernel settings, network configuration, and running the cluster with a custom containerized environment that supports RDMA and InfiniBand devices. Skytech Crystal Desktop. Intel Ultra 5 225F CPU, Arc B580 GPU, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD $900 plus free S&H Skytech Gaming's Crystal Desktop featuring an Intel Ultra 5 225F CPU, Arc B580 GPU, 32 GB RAM, and 1 TB SSD is available for $899.99 after applying promo code XCN at checkout. With free shipping included. Train and run transformers directly on Apple's Neural Engine. Espresso enables direct execution of transformer models on Apple's Neural Engine, achieving 4.76x faster inference than Core ML by compiling MIL programs to ANE Silicon with zero-copy I/O and fused multi-layer kernels. The framework supports full training with gradient accumulation and atom optimization, and can be integrated with just 5 lines of Swift code. This laptop has an incredible touchscreen and great graphics, but an older Intel chip holds it back. The Acer Swift X14 features a vibrant OLED touchscreen and powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics, making it well-suited for creative tasks, despite being held back by an older Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor with limited AI capabilities. Best Buy's 4th of July sale has discounted Windows laptops with fast performance and plenty of RAM, soothing the memory crisis. Best Buy's 4th of July sale offers significant discounts on high-performance Windows laptops, including the Acer Swift Go 16. AI laptop with Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU, 32 GB RAM, and 1 TB SSD for $899.99, and the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i with Intel Core i5 CPU, 16 GB RAM, and 256 GB SSD for $449.99. The sale runs through July 5, 2026, and is available to all U.S. customers without requiring a Best Buy membership. 3 things I learned after downgrading from a 12-core to an 8-core CPU. A tech enthusiast downgraded from a 12-core Ryzen 9 5900X to an 8-core Ryzen 7 5800X 3D after the former failed, resulting in improved gaming performance and cost savings. The upgrade highlighted that CPU cache and architecture can outweigh core count in gaming scenarios. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.